Hello everybody, my name is Joanne and today I would like to show you guys how your labor and delivery room may look. So let's take a little tour. All right, here we have what your laboring bed may look like. On this bed, there's different buttons here that you can press to adjust it. So this brings the bed up and down. This brings the head of the bed up or down. This brings the foot up or down. There's in this bed a function that can make your back a little bit more comfortable, so it kind of like inflates like in a balloon and supports your back, and the same for underneath your bottom. We have a call bell, the famous call bell to get to your nurse if you need them. So this part here comes out, and this is the stirrup. This is what we help use to position you whenever it's time to push. So your legs come up here, and sometimes we may help you get into some laboring positions using the stirrup as well. And there's two on each side. Well, one on each side, I should say. Two in total for the bed. I'm using one hand here, so bear with me. Okay, so that's how it comes up. Okay, and it can get closer so you're not spreading your legs all the way. I know that would be real hard to do for some people. I myself am not that flexible. All right, now this bed comes apart. And if you take a look here, you can see that this lifts up and can come off like so. And this breaks down and comes under like that. Then you would scoot your butt all the way down here. The bed would be raised to the position where your doctor feels most comfortable to help you deliver your baby. A drape would be placed to collect any fluids and keep it from falling on the floor. All right, so this is basically how your labor bed would look. This bed can also turn into a chair. So we can bring the head of the bed all the way up like this. And this can assist you in a squatting position. These little holes here are openings for the squat bar, and we can help use that to position you as well. So this bed may look very simple in the beginning, but it has multiple functions to help you have your baby. I hope that this was helpful, and congratulations if you are expecting.